Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children,
Good
we are
morning,
learning now. Oh, good morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Had your breakfast? Huh? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start.
Yeah.
So, children, we have started 8.2. What is that? Identify and compare like fractions. Okay, so in the last class, we learned what are like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fraction. Okay, who can tell me what is a like fraction? Yes, children? What is like fraction? Like same denominator. Very good. Fractions with same denominator. Fractions with same
Same denominator.
denominator. That is called like fraction. Okay. What is unlike fractions?
Not same denominator.
Not same means different denominators. So fractions with different denominators, that is known as unlike. Okay. What about unit fraction?
Numerator one.
Numerator is equal to 1. So children, you remember all these? Yes, very good. So what is children, again we will discuss what is like fraction. Fractions with same denominator. Same denominator, that is like fraction. What about unlike? Different denominators. And children, you know, the numerator is the number on the top and denominator is the number below. And what is unit fraction? Fractions with numerator is equal to 1. Okay, so I will write some questions and we will you will have to identify which is like and unlike or unit. Okay, okay, so here Akshaj, can you tell me what are these fractions? Akshaj?
Like fraction. Like.
Very good. Like fraction. Why? Because which is the denominator here? Denominator is 12. We can see all the denominators are same. Very good. No need to take the page number. Wait. Okay. After some, I will tell you to take. Okay. Next one. Alona. Alona, can you hear me? Okay, Noel, 1/7. What is this fraction, Noel?
Like fraction.
Huh? I have written only one fraction. So how can you know that is like?
No, unit.
Unit fraction. Very good. Because here the numerator is 1. So we can say that is unit fraction. Because I have given here only one fraction. So we cannot identify with the same denominator or different denominators. So that is unit fraction. That is 1 numerator is equal to 1. Okay, Binu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Binu. What is this fraction?
Unlike.
I cannot hear. Are you speaking?
Unlike.
Unlike. Very good. Okay, your mic is not there. That's why. So 1/17, 3/12. So these denominators are different. That's why it is unlike fractions. Very good. So children, we will continue with the workbook. Till question number 6 we have completed. I told you to do question number 5 and 6 as homework. Okay. So Algan, can you tell me the answer of question number 5?
Ma'am, I completed till 13.
13. Very good. Okay. Yes, Algan. Question number 5. What's the answer?
23. 2/3.
Algan didn't get the page.
2/3.
Nora, can you tell me the all others please mute. Nora, please tell me the answer of question number 5. An unlike fraction of 1/7.
2/7.
Which is unlike fraction therefore 1/7.
1/7. 5/7. 5/7.
3/14. 3/14. 2/7, 1/7, 5/7 all have denominator 7. So they are Like fraction. So which is the unlike fraction example? 3 by 14. That is option B. Some children have completed till 10, 9. Some children did not write the homework. That's why doubt. So this is 3 by 14. That is the only fraction with the denominator 14. All others have denominator 7. So question question number 5, option B. Okay. Next one, Aisha, question number 6. What's the answer? Which of the following is a like fraction of 3 by 7?
2 by 7. 2 by 7.
Like fraction of 3 by 7.
2 by 7.
2 by 7. Very good. Option A. Okay.
A.
So I will write the answer here on the board. So children, from the beginning, I will write the answers. Question number, page number 7. Question number 1, that is option A, we have discussed already. Question number 2, that is D. Question number 3 is D. Question number 4, C. Question number 5 and question number 6 was homework. That is option B and option A. Yes. Okay. Anay, can you read question number 7? The fraction. Yes. Anay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 7.
The fraction of unshaded parts in the figure is
Please listen to the question. Unshaded.
2.
2 by total. How many parts?
3. 8.
8.
2 by 6.
2 by 8. Who said 3? Who said 3? Count the number of boxes. That is 8. Okay, so question number 7, the answer is 2 by 8. Ridu, can you read question number 8?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Fractions that have the dash denominator are called like fractions.
Fractions that have dash denominators are called like fractions.
Same denominator.
Same denominator. Very good. Same denominator. So children, what we had to write? Question number 8. The answer is same. Okay, same. Question number 8. Fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. Okay, question number 9. Krishnesh, question number 9.
Fraction. The fraction and
Fraction 3 by 9, 3 by 4, 3 by 7.
Are
Dash fraction.
fraction.
Unlike fraction, yes. Unlike, because all the fractions here, the denominators are different. Who is calling?
Question number 7. No, page number 8. Question
2
number
by
7.
8, page number 7.
2 by 8.
2 by 8. Question number 7 is 2 by 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, question number 8 and question number 9. Question number 9, please, all the numerators are same, but we are not checking the numerators. We are identifying whether the denominators are same. Here, all the denominators are different. That's why the fraction is unlike fraction. Okay. Now, question number 10. Who is going to read? Len, question number 10.
Like fraction.
All others, please mute. Identify. 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 2 by 8, 9 by 12, 2 by 7. Which are like fractions here?
2 by 12, 3 by 12,
3 by 12, and 9 by 12. Very good. So children, you can write like fractions. From there, take all the fractions that have same denominator. So question number 10 children, you can write like fractions. What are the like fractions here? The like fractions are 2 by 12, 3 by 12, and 9 by 12. Only 3 fractions are like fractions. The fraction with the denominator 8 and 7 we are not writing because it's not a like fraction. Their denominators are different. So children, here question number 10, we have only 3 fractions that have denominators 12.
Finish.
Finished. Okay, Bennett, can you read question number 13? Not 13, 11. Question number 11.
Identify the unlike fraction.
Unlike fractions. You have to find out the unlike. Yes. So what's the answer?
2 by 6 and 2 by 8.
Very good. 2 by 6 and 2 by 8. All other fractions 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 are like fractions. So here we have only 2 unlike
2
fractions.
by
Very good.
6 and 2
Okay.
by
So children, question number 11. We have to write unlike fractions. So write unlike fractions are. Unlike fractions are. Children, you have to identify the question. Is it to write the like fraction or is it to write unlike fraction? Question number 10, we had to write like fraction. Question number 11, unlike fractions. So your unlike fractions are here, 2 by 6 and 2 by 8. Tonio, question number 12. Tonio. 12, question number 12, read.
Find the fraction
Representing
unshaded part.
unshaded. So look at the figure and how many parts unshaded. Tell me the fraction.
4 by 6.
4 by 6.
2 by 6. 4 by
No,
6.
it is for unshaded. So
4 by
somebody told that is 2 by 6. No, this is unshaded. How many parts is not shaded? 4 divided by the total number of parts. 4 by 6. Okay.
4 by 6.
4 by 6.
4 by 6.
Okay. Now question number 13. Aiden. Aiden, can you read 13th question?
Identify the like and unlike fraction.
Yes, you have to find like, unlike of both questions. Question number A and question number B.
B.
Okay. So question number 13, Aiden has to tell me the answer. Question number 13A, like fractions. First I will write like fractions. Yes, Aiden. Identify the question 13A and tell me which are I like fractions. Question number
3 by
13A.
7.
Huh? Yes.
2 by
1 by
7.
7. 1 by 7.
6 by 7.
Say in order, otherwise you will miss out all. Look at the first number 1 by 7. Then look at the next one.
3 by 7.
3 by 7. Very good.
2 by 7.
2 by 7.
6 by 7.
6 by 7.
5 by 7.
5 by 7. So how many children? Count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like fractions are there. So in the bracket you can write, children, same denominator. Why it is like fraction? Because we have same denominator. Why we are writing again? Because we are revising that denominator, same denominator.
Ma'am, I can.
not finished. Children, we had to write like fractions and unlike fractions. So like fractions, also you can write unlike fractions, which we have not written.
Can I?
Yes, tell me the unlike fractions of question number A.
2 by
Which is we have not written. 2 by 6.
2
Very
by
good.
6.
2 by 6.
3 by 4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
1 by 2.
Very
1
good.
by
1
2.
by 2. Okay, children, in the bracket you can write different denominators. Different. And question number 13b you have to do now alone. Look like these steps. What you have to do 13b? First you have to write like fractions and write the answers. And in the bracket you have to write same denominator. Now below that you have to write unlike fractions. Then write.
Ma'am, I forgot to write that one. Same denominator. like that.
So next question you can write. Okay, it is not compulsory to write in the bracket same denominator, different denominator.
Not clear.
For who?
2 by 30.
Ekraj.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you no, because of the network issue. What about other children? It's clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
children? Yes. Okay. Okay, so children, it's not compulsory that you write every time same denominator, different denominator, but for the first time we are learning like fractions. So better you can write in the brackets so you can learn again, revise what are like fractions, unlike fractions. Question number 13b, alone. I want all the children to do alone. Okay, question number 13b. What do you have to write the first step? Like fractions.
Ma'am, finish.
And,
Ma'am, finish.
okay, those who finish, please wait. Let all of you write. Let all the children write alone. Then we will discuss the answer. What do you have to write? Like fractions equal to, unlike fractions equal to. Please mute your audio, all of you. Mute your audio. Okay, next one. Question number 13b.
Ma'am, I finished 14.
Okay, okay. So, Len, tell me the answer of question number 13b. Like fractions.
Ma'am, 2 by 13. 7 by
1 minute. Let
13.
me write. 2 by 13. 2 by 13.
7 by 13.
7 by 13.
4 by 13.
3 by
4
13.
3 by 13.
3 by 13.
4 by 13.
4 by 13 and
9 by 13.
9 by 13. Okay, children, check whether you have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like fractions. Okay, so what are unlike fraction? Tell me.
3 by 3 by
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. One person is okay. Next chance for you. So unlike fractions, what are they?
3 by 50.
13 by 15.
Same denominator.
You can write in the bracket same
by
denominator. 14 by 17.
19 by 50.
11 by
11 by
17.
19.
11 by 90. 11 by 90.
Okay, so children, you can write in the bracket here same denominator. Here we can write different denominator. Question number 14 also same like this. Start question number 14A. Angelo, read question number 14. Angelo.
Ma'am,
Mm.
identify the like and the unlike fractions.
Fraction. Identify the like and unlike fractions. Okay, question number A. Tell me the like fractions from there. Question number A.
2 by 8.
2 by
2
8.
by 8. 3 by
3 by
8.
8.
4 by
4
8.
by 8.
5 by 8.
5 by 8. Okay, so we have 4 like fractions. What about unlike?
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
1 by
1 by
3.
3.
6 by 7.
By 7. Okay, very good. So children, you can do it fast because same questions. 14A. We had to write the step, same step, like fractions.
Ma'am, I can.
Now this we have discussed already, no? Who is calling me, ma'am? Can you say?
Can I? Can I?
Children, you can do it now. This we have already discussed. 2 by 8, 3 by 8. This Angela told the answers now. Yes, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. In the bracket, same denominators. Now next write unlike fractions.
Unlike fraction.
What's the answers? 2 by 5?
1 by 8.
1 by
3.
6 by
6
7.
by 7.
Write different denominators. Question number B, do alone, like the same. Different denominators. Okay, read question number B and do alone. Same steps.
Three by 8. 3 by 8. 3 by 8.
Children, please turn on your camera.
8.
Mewell, Evangel, Bennett, Faris, Abhinav, Leon. Please turn on your camera. Now next one, Ananda Krishnan. Tell me the answer of 14B. Like fractions.
Like fraction.
Question
3
number
by
14B.
4. By 4. 1
3
by
by
4.
4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
2 by 4.
2 by 4. Because they have same denominators. Okay. What about unlike fractions?
5 by 7. 5 by 7. 3 by 5. 2 by 6. And 4 by 9.
Okay. 5 by 7, 3 by 5, 2 by 6, and 4 by 7. Okay.
4 by
Children, write. Question number 14B. Like fractions. Like fractions we have 3 by 4,
3 by 4. 1 by 4.
1 by 4, and
2 by 4.
2 by 4. Same denominator. Why it is like fraction? Because it is same denominator.
Same denominator.
Okay. Now next one, unlike fractions.
5 by 7. 3 by 5. 2 by 6. And 4 by 9.
Okay. Write down. Children, here unlike fractions, we have 4 unlike fractions. 5 by 7, 3 by 5. Look at the question carefully and write. Okay. Don't write wrong fractions. 5 by 7, 3 by 5, 2 by 6, and 4 by 9.
9.
Write in the bracket. What we will write in the bracket? What we will write in the bracket? Yes?
Different.
Different denominators. Because it is unlike. Okay. Okay. So children, we will do now question number 15.
Ma'am, I finished 16, 15 and 16.
Huh?
15 and 16 I finished.
Okay. Now, Ridu, can you read question number 15?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
find the fraction of the part not shaded in the
Figures. Okay.
figures. Which of them
Represent like fractions.
represent
So
like
children, you have to
fraction?
find out the fraction for unshaded, that is not shaded. Okay, Ridu, tell me what is question number A. How many parts not shaded and what is the total number of parts?
1/4.
1/4. Very good. Okay, so like this we have to write all the fractions and we have to check which all fractions are like fractions. Understood? Fraction for unshaded, or we can say not shaded. So which is how many parts not shaded, you have to find out. Okay, so we'll write with the step. Question number 15. Question number 15A. So children, we will write number of parts not shaded. Number of parts not shaded, because we are going to write the fraction for not shaded. Number of parts not shaded. How many parts? Only one part. So how many total number of parts? Total number of parts. Total number of parts. 4. So what is the fraction? Fraction is 1/4. Fraction is equal to 1/4. Like this, children, all the fractions you have to write. First, we will write number of parts not shaded for B, C, and D. Also write like this, total number of parts, and write the fraction. Question number B. Also write like this, number of parts not shaded, total number of parts, then write the fraction. You want to see the board? Not any, one question I have written. Like this, you have to write question number 15B, C, and D. Second one. Yes, Anay, what is the fraction for question number B? Fraction for question number B. Fraction.
I am writing only.
Look at the picture and tell me. Look at the picture. How many parts not shaded?
3.
3.
3. So tell me the fraction
3/8.
Yes. So from question number B, I am writing only fraction. Fraction. What is the fraction? 3/8. Okay. 3/8. So first one is 1/4. Second one is 3/8. Third one, Mivel. Question number C. Question number C. Fraction.
Number of parts not shaded.
Tell me the fraction. We can write the step. Then fraction how many?
Fraction 1/4.
Very good. 1/4. What about question number D? Yes, Aiden. Fraction for question number D. How many parts not shaded?
3.
3. What about Tonio? Question number D. How many parts not shaded?
2 by
2 by
6.
6. Some children eyes problem. Question number 2 by 6. So tell me which are like fractions here? Like fractions.
6 by 2.
Like fractions here we
Then
have
1 by 4 and
1 by 4 and 1 by 4.
1 by 4 and 1 by 4 means A and C. So like fractions
C.
are
A and C.
A and C. Like fractions are, we can write are A and C. Because here the denominator is 4 and here in the question number A, we can see here that also 1 by 4. Question number C, that also 1 by 4. So here, like fractions are A and C. So children, I have, look at here, question number A, I have written here. So if you have place, you can write the step like this, number of parts not shaded. Total number of parts and write fraction. Same steps we are writing for fraction. Find out the answer 3 by 8. The next one is fraction is 1 by 4. And the next one, D also we can write the step fraction, which is the fraction 2 by 6. And we can find out A and C are like fractions. Okay, children? Now it's the time to wind up. You have to revise daily. So what is like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction? Okay, children? So those who have not completed, you can complete after class. We have discussed all the steps. Yeah?
Thank you, ma'am.
Only?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, bye. Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.